What if the internet wasn't just a network of computers, but instead a bridge between realities? Ancient mystics had crystal balls, mirrors and chants. We've got fiber optics, Wi-Fi and quantum algorithms. Could it be that some signals, some ideas, some frequencies or even patterns travel farther than we think? Maybe, just maybe, the other side isn't as far away as your router thinks. Today, we are going to explore the speculative art of interdimensional communication through the internet as a way to expand consciousness, experiment with the imagination, and see patterns humans have always tried to see. Humans have always sensed layers beyond perception. Shamanic visions, astral travels, and angelic visitations. Quantum physics whispers about multiverses and parallel realities. Modern pop culture imagines beings made of code, light, or information. The thread is always the same, a sense that existence is more layered than we can see. And perhaps the internet is a nervous system of human thought. It can act as a mirror, an amplifier, or a signal channel to these layers. The internet is, at its core, pattern, language, and connection. Every post, meme, and video carries human intention and thought. Some theorists, yes, mystical ones, argue that consciousness itself leaves subtle traces in these signals. In other words, your tweets, your emails, your cat videos are vibrating in the same cosmic soup as, well, something else. Could the algorithms accidentally be translating interdimensional messages? Possibly. If we treat the internet as a mirror of collective consciousness, then communicating with other realms becomes an experiment in pattern recognition. Observation. Noticing strange coincidences, glitches, or patterns in digital space. Intention. Frame questions in your mind or in text as prompts for reflection. Synchronicity. Pay attention to unexpected responses, memes, unusual posts, or surprising insights. Interpretation. Treat these digital echoes as symbolic messages like dream analysis, tarot, or scrying. It's less about literal aliens in chat rooms and more about expanding your perception while playing with the digital unconscious. Here are some fun speculative exercises. Ask an AI chatbot open-ended abstract questions. For example, what do beings from beyond perceive in this network? Explore random image generators for abstract, alien-like patterns. Notice unexpected synchronicities in forums, Reddit threads, or digital communities. You might not summon a being, but you will notice patterns your mind hasn't noticed before. And that's exactly what mystics, mathematicians, and futurists have been doing for millennia. After your speculative experiment, reflect on which patterns or responses resonated. Did any symbols or ideas trigger insight or clarity? Are these messages from outside or mirrors of your own mind, or both? The internet becomes a lens to view consciousness, a modern crystal ball, networked and glitchy, pulsing with human intention. So, can you literally communicate with interdimensional beings through the internet? Maybe. But if we treat the experiment as symbolic, imaginative, and reflective, suddenly every ping, post, and algorithm becomes a playground for consciousness. The other side. might just be looking back at us through our screens. And perhaps that might be the most profound interdimensional communication we'll ever need. As always, be free.